I'll let this one soak. Let it soak. Should I clamp it in the vise? Son of a bullet. I don't want to wreck it in the vise. That's the thing. I do not want to wreck this in my vise. I want to get it off here without clamping it down. Got to move a little. Come on. Go on. Get off there. See. Lubrication. Holy shit, it's just cut this off. Try and move it backward a little. Pick it up just a little. What the frick? God damn it. Maybe a smaller ratchet would be good. 14, 12, 11, 10. 11, 10, 10. Yeah, now the 12 millimeter is missing. I don't want to kill this in the vise. It moved a little, not much. Let's try the freezing thing again. Ice, ice, baby. Son of a bullet. I give up. What am I doing here? Oops. What am I doing? I'm trying to get this light out of here. Right here. I'm trying to get this light out so I can send this out to get, what do you call it? Whipped in a sandblaster and repainted black so I can put it on that thing right. Wait, where is it? Yeah, right there. That. Like, so yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. But life is not cooperating. I got chemicals all over me, so I will just leave this right here to sweat and probably just clean my hands off and go home because that's all I can do really. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your wonderful friends, and that you're watching me sweat in the garage. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Come on, turn off.